Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing both the Apple TV and the iPhone or iPad. Make sure Apple TV runs tvOS 17 or later and is on the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures low latency. Once done, sign into FaceTime with your Apple ID on the iPhone and enable FaceTime plus camera and microphone permissions, so audio and video work on the TV. Also, check that AirPlay is on. That allows the call to route to Apple TV. Now, open the FaceTime app on your iPhone. You start the FaceTime call on your iPhone or iPad by choosing a contact or entering an address, because Apple TV doesn't place calls itself. Once the call connects, swipe to open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring or AirPlay, then select your Apple TV so the video and audio go to the television. Make sure you accept any prompts shown on the TV. These grant permission and complete the routing. As you mirror, you'll see the remote collar on the big screen while retaining device controls locally. You'll finish by optimizing the experience. Set TV volume to a comfortable level and position your iPhone camera so faces are framed. Consider an external microphone for better voice pickup. If you see lag or dropped frames, switch both devices to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, move nearer the router, and restart Apple TV or iPhone if needed. If video fails to appear, stop mirroring, relaunch FaceTime, re-enable AirPlay, and sign out, then back into your Apple ID. This often resolves permissions and routing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.